Hello everyone, myself CA Nidhi Malani, and I am here again to disturb all the 12th standard students. Yes, students, why? Because your exams are cancelled but you have not got your 12th passing certificate yet. So here I am talking about 2021 batch class 12th students. Okay, so there is one big announcement for you guys, and that is regarding the update on state boards. So majority of the state boards have cancelled their exams in line with CBSE and ICSE boards. Talking about some of the state boards, so Assam will be conducting its state board examination. Chhattisgarh, the examination are being held. Kerala and Bihar, they have already completed with the examination part. Coming forward to the next topic is about the assessment part. How will you guys be assessed? So the criteria is not yet decided for any of the boards, that how are you guys going to be assessed now. But I would suggest you that you guys be prepared for any kind of online internal school assessments, because it might be a part of you guys clearing up the exams or getting up good scores in assessment. Now there will be one option available for each one of you, that whatever assessment has been made for you guys, if you are not satisfied with the assessment, you may appear for the examination under the respective boards. That option is available, it's made available by all the boards. So this is one thing, this is all about 12th standard. But one big question which would be hovering over your minds would be that what next? Now where to go next? Schools are done, colleges are not open, what should we do? So one thing is that sitting back at home when there is no obligation to go outside, when there is no obligation to go to some coaching for some other course, you may sit back home, you may dedicate all your time for all your passionate activities. You want, you draw, you paint, you dance, you sing, you click photographs, you may do any kind of thing, any kind of passion you may possess, whatever you want to, whatever your heart tells you, you can go for it. It's a golden opportunity and a golden time for you guys. Secondly, if you want to pursue some kind of professional course or some other educational opportunities, educational career opportunities, then, and you don't know exactly that what kind of course I should opt for, here I am to help you out. So I am here to discuss opportunities in relation to only commerce stream. Okay, so we will be discussing about all the more professional opportunities, not the regular ones. So starting from LLB. LLB? Yes, LLB. So just like IITs for science, we have NLUs for law stream. NLUs means National Law Universities. So these are the most prime educational institutions considered for the purpose of going for a law stream. To get an entrance into NLUs, any of the NLUs, you will have to appear for CLAT exams. The admission is already open for CLAT and it will close by 15th of June. Yes, you heard it right, 15th of June 2021. When will the exams be conducted? There is no clarity about it. The notification will come for examination conduction on 13th of June. Coming to the next course. The next course is about CFP or Certified Financial Planner. Now what is a Certified Financial Planner? It is a certificate course which is provided to you by FPSP, which is Financial Planning Board. Now this FPSP or this CFP exam has two kind of stages. Okay, the first one is you'll have to register for it, the whole course. Second part, in the second part there will be 3 tracks or 3 modules, you can say 3 different modules. You will have to complete all these 3 modules before you can appear for the last exam or the final exams, which is called capstone. Now these 3 modules, you can appear for any of the 3 modules as and when you want it, but you will have to first complete the course content of the module. Once you complete the course content, you can appear for the exam. After that, all the 3 exams are done, you will have to go for with a work experience of 3 to 5 years. If you are having a work experience under some supervision, then it is for 3 years. You'll have to practice for 3 years or work for 3 years. If you are self-practicing, then you have to practice for 5 years. After that, you can appear for the capstone exam, which is the final exam. So once you clear that particular capstone exam, after that you will be getting a certificate and a badge, which will consider you as a certified financial planner. Coming up to the third course. The third course talks about ACCA. What? ACCA? I've heard about CA, but what is this ACCA? ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Now this is one separate organization. It is different than CA, but the course curriculum is quite similar in a lot of manner. This course, this ACCA course, is an international course and it is recognized by 126 countries globally. Majority of the countries being the Gulf countries. So, and if you want to go, if you're willing to go for American institutes or American Chartered Accountant, then you will have to pursue a course called CPA, Certified Public Accountants. Okay, so CPA is another course. If you want to explore areas like America, you'll have to pursue CPA. If you want to explore areas like Europe or Gulf countries, you will have to pursue ACCA. Can you do it along with CA? Yes, you can do it along with CA as well. Now, talking more about ACCA, there are 3 stages in ACCA. One is foundation, intermediate, and the experience or professional course. If you have already cleared, because you are 12th, you have just cleared 12th exam, you will have to start with the foundation course. There will be total of 19 modules, you can say, or 19 papers, you can say, which you'll have to clear for becoming an ACCA. There is no last date for admissions or last date for entrance for ACCA course. You can register for it as and when you want. It's again based on an annual subscriptionship. But yes, you'll have to clear exams step by step. Now, covering up all the 3 kind of non-conventional courses, being CLAT, ACCA, CFP, and one more, yes, CPA. So after that, I want to go shift your minds towards the conventional courses, which are CA, CS, and CMA. Yes, CMA. Now, let's start with CMA first. What is CMA? CMA is Cost Management Accountant. Generally, the work for Cost Management Accountant is taking care about all the costs and valuation of stocks and anything related to cost policy of any entity. Okay, so for what to do for clearing up CMA examination? First, you'll have to clear foundation level. After 12th, you can register for foundation level and you can appear for foundation. First is CMA foundation, then CMA intermediate, and after that you will have to appear for CMA final. But between CMA intermediate and CMA final, there should be a training period. The training period may vary from 6 months to 3 years. 6 months to 3 years? Yes, 6 months to 3 years. 6 months for the ones who just want it for a degree. Maybe if you want to pursue job only, and then you may do an articleship of 6 months only, and you may appear for CA final exams and go for a job. But if you want to practice as a CMA, as a full-time practicing CMA, then you will have to go for an articleship period of 3 years. Coming up to the next part, which is CS examination. Now, what is CS examination? CS examination is CS is company secretary. What does it do? Company secretaries basically deals with whatever kind of documentation or whatever kind of things, whatever meetings are going on in a company, that documentation of all these meetings, suggesting compliances, governance, all these are dealt in by the CAS of a company. So CS, yes, after doing CS course also you may go for a job, or you may practice as a CS in India. So there are 3 levels in CS course as well. The first level is an entrance exam. Earlier it was a foundation exam, means it has a course curriculum, but now it has been changed to an entrance exam sort of thing. There are 4 entrance exam conducted during the year. The exam name is known as C-SEAT. So for the July batch of C-SEAT, you can register up to 15th of June. Yes, this 15th of June is the last date for registering for a C-SEAT examination. After talking about CS, I will like to take you towards CA examination. Now for CA examination, again there are 3 levels. CA, you all must be knowing about it. CA is nothing but a chartered accountant. Now what does a chartered accountant do? Chartered accountant can do any kind of financial financial assistance, or business consulting, or return filing, maybe including GST returns and income tax returns. CA have a wide variety of scope, so you can, if you are a CA, you can do n number of things. There is no limitation to your scope. The limitation to your scope is what you define it for yourself. So in CA examination also there are 3 categories. One is CA foundation. Once you clear CA foundation, then you appear for CA intermediate. There are 2 groups in CA intermediate examination, each group consisting of 4 subjects. So once you clear any of these groups, then you can start doing your articleship, which extends to 3 years period. After you are done with your articleship period, you can appear for CA final exams. Now for all these 3 conventional courses, CA, CS and CMA, you have to undergo a lot of small trainings during the course itself, which may extend to 7 days to 15 days. That was about conventional and non-conventional professional courses in commerce stream. So if you want any more updates on any kind of commerce related consultation or commerce stream related advices, you may drop down your comments. Also subscribe my channel so that you get updated with my next videos coming up. In a case you want any particular topic to be discussed by me, I'm happy to discuss things. I'm happy to clarify your doubts. Please do mention what next video you want from my side in the comment section of this video. I hope you all are happy, safe and healthy being at your home. Please don't go out of your homes until unless it's necessary just to wander out with friends. No, please, a big no. We are already going through the 2nd wave of corona, and the 3rd wave is almost approaching. Please be safe. That's the most important thing we can do for ourselves and our country. Thank you so much. Think about it and think it. Thanks.